Hello, good morning. We're here at the Hampton Inn in Port Hueneme, or they call it the Channel Islands. We're at the harbor. So we got this room for the night to have our Valentine's Day celebration. We're with a few friends and here we are. And I'll show you a little drone video later and then we'll see what it looks like here at the Channel Islands. Yan. And I have a little bit of drone video on 80, 100 feet, down to the ocean. So as you can see right there, and we'll be walking around the park and see the park right there. And it's really a nice day. It's about 60 degrees outside now. Yeah.
Farmers market today.
And this is not your YouTube channel.
And this is not my YouTube channel. That's the thing we are back.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of tangy.
There you go, checking out the local farmers market here. The local farmers market here at Channel Islands. And what's a weekend without outlet? Right here. So we're at the Camarillo outlet.
There's a coach there. There's a coach there.